Check this out. We've got a beautiful 1970 Chevelle Pro Touring. Complete body off the frame restoration just 130 miles ago. It is very fresh. All upgraded suspension, custom exhaust, four-wheel disc brakes, has an LS motor under the hood, 4L80E, overdrive automatic trans, TMI seats, beautiful color. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars all for sale, and that's where you'll find a price tag and a monthly payment on every one of them, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, so it's a fresh restoration. It has the raised domed SS hood with the hood pins. This all looks nice and clean and straight. Looking on the side is straight. The fenders are all clean. No rust, no damage. All looks nice and clean and looks real good. Lines up square. No vinyl top, just all painted, all nice and clean. The molding fits very nicely. Trunk lid looks real nice. It's Mulsanne blue. It's a beautiful color, metal flake, and it's all laid out nicely. It's a nice paint job. It has a little texture like your new car would, a little orange peel we call it, but it's a nice paint job. The SS stripes are painted on, they're the proper dimensions. The back window looks to be a good original. There are some scratches, a few minor scratches. The side glass is smoked glass. I rolled up the other side so you can see it. That's new. The windshield's new. The wheel well moldings and door handles and mirrors been replaced. The front moldings look new. The side moldings look good. A couple little dents or dings. Same thing back here. They don't look brand new, but I'm sure they're not original. All the weather strip is replaced. Sitting on some 18-inch US Mag chrome wheels, real sharp looking wheel with Nitto Performance tires. They're extra wide in the back. All this is new, and the bezels and the grill looks real nice. Bumper's been replaced. The SS emblems have been replaced as the 5.3 liter emblem right below it. The back bumper's been replaced, but I think when they were sanding the car, they touched it a few times, left a few scuffs on the bumper, but it's nice, straight, and shiny. Beautiful car. Let's open it up, and you're going to like what you see inside. All right, let's see what the trunk compartment looks like. Well, the bottom side of the trunk lid is painted real nicely. The latch looks original. Jamb is nice. Weather strip is new. Inside is really nice, clean metal with a nice spatter finish. I think it has a clear coat over it too, make it a little more durable. And car covers being thrown in as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Also, check out volocars.com. You see all sorts of neat stuff. So the jambs were painted, door latches were replaced, the weather strips were replaced, completely new door panels with the armrest and window cranks, handles, that's all been replaced. The hinges up front, they're a little bit dry. It's been painted, but they're not all shiny. The whole dash is new. The dash pad, the instrument panel, the vents, all the chrome. I'm going to light up those gauges. You're going to like that. It's all new. Dakota Digital gauges. Light up blue. 160 miles on the restoration. So that's sharp looking. All new stuff. Electric slide, vintage air controls. Retro stereo fits right in the location. New vents. Now it's got kicker speakers in the kick panels, 6x9s in back, and there's a big kicker amplifier in the trunk too, behind the back seat. The whole car is rewired with a Painless wiring system. Got Chevelle embroidered mats. Got a reproduction console with the staple shifter. It's upgraded with the overdrive indicator. Now, I love the seats. Very similar to the original, but they're upgraded with some nice bolsters, original style pattern, but it's given some Alcantara material. They're very comfortable. They're very sharp looking. It's all new. The headrest, the chrome, the back, all new. Seat belts have all been replaced. Here's a booklet with a lot of the information that's in the car. I believe that's for tuning the car, I believe. The back seat you can see is upholstered to match the front seats. Side panels all replaced. Headliner is replaced as a nice bright LED light. Visors look real nice. The mirror looks new. I'll have to tighten this visor up. And it's got a new steering wheel on a Flaming River tilt column. So yeah, nice interior. Just a pretty car. I left the lights on. So under the hood is an LS motor. It's a 5.3 liter that's been reworked. It's putting out over 400 horsepower. On top is a Phytech fuel injection, electronic fuel injection, G plus throttle body, got aluminum heads. Look how everything looks new. It has Doug's coated headers, nice dipsticks, Aeromotive fuel regulator, nice premium fuel lines, custom smooth firewall. Everything's painted. The front of the engine is a front runner system with the serpentine belts. We have a polished AC compressor, polished alternator. I like how the radiator hose and the air intake, they kind of match each other. Up front here is a big aluminum radiator with dual electric chrome fans. Power steering. Has a remote oil filter. You don't have to crawl under the car to change the filter. All new power brake system, new wiper motor. The squirters are hooked up. It's got horns. So very clean and complete. Michael's going to show you how this bad boy runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Got an absolutely sweet resto mod Chevelle here. LS swap underneath the hood, fuel injected, starts right up with no issue at all. Got that turnkey reliability, and this one's just meant to drive. If that's what you're looking for, if you want a real driver, this is a great option for you. 4L80E automatic overdrive transmission, so you got that extra gear there. Go ahead and cruise until your heart is content. Absolutely. Amazing sounding exhaust on this one. It's got exhaust dumps, and this thing sounds great whether it's open or closed. You see a totally custom exhaust there. You push the button here and you can open up the dumps and close them as well from the key fob. But yeah, it's a great car overall. It does have a Pro Touring highly upgraded suspension, so definitely check out the pictures of the undercarriage because this is mighty, mighty impressive. And yeah, let's see what she's got. That's a heck of a lot of fun. Just eased into her, you know. Go real nice and slow into that pedal there. Man, she's pulling. What a great experience. Great set of gauges to look at. Great set of seats to sit in. These TMI buckets are just to die for, I tell you. Let's see how she goes down the road. Pretty nice and straight. I didn't even set it up. I just let it go. But yeah, just a great car. Get out, drive this one, have a blast. You're absolutely gonna love it. If you need to come test drive it yourself, you're always more than welcome here. Just give our sales team about a day's notice so we can rearrange the cars. And yeah, other than that, check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So underneath might be the nicest part of this car. Body was off the frame, every single component removed, and it is brand new under there. Completely updated sport suspension up front, big fat tubular control arms, has Viking double adjustable coilover gas shocks, big fat sway bar, and it's all new. All the steering components, there's some Ride Tech steering parts, all been replaced. In back, it's a 4-link system with tubular control arms, sway bar, and the same double adjustable Viking coilover gas shocks. A really nice pipes exhaust system. It's all stainless steel, Race Pro mufflers, X-pipe, and has electric dumps. They're actually on a keychain remote. You hit the button and they'll open up, nice and rumbly and rock and roll. And when it comes around, you'll notice the tailpipes actually come right out through the valance. I've never seen that on a Chevelle. That's pretty cool. All new brake system, the hoses, the lines, the e-brake assembly replaced, and there's disc at all 4 of the wheels. All new updated fuel system for the fuel injection. You know, the tank and all the lines, all that's replaced. You look up at the motor, it's an extra capacity oil pan with a high torque starter. It's a fresh 4L80E electronic overdrive automatic trans. A new drive shaft goes back to a 12-bolt posi rear end. The floors all look to be pristine metal, painted a semi-gloss black. Everything under there just looks brand new, every component. There's only 160 miles on this beautiful Chevelle. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home and how to get it financed if you need that too. Thanks for watching.